Hey guys, welcome to my introduction to construction technology video. In this video, I'm going to be giving you a brief introduction to construction technology. The purpose of having this video is to assist you in your lecture classes and give you a quick overview on the chapter in under 5 minutes. The content of this video will focus on the definition, type of construction, project lifecycle, and lastly examples on types of building. Now, let's jump right into it. Firstly, we have the definition on construction technology. If we break down the words, the word construction means an act of constructing a structure, and the word technology simply means a practical application of science to the industry, which in this case refers to the construction industry. Now, let's go into the types of construction. There are 4 types of construction. Residential, designed for accommodation. Commercial and social, focus on commercial uses such as retail shops, while social revolves around entertainment and socializing. Heavy and civil engineering, these are sometimes known as special projects due to the nature and the function of the project. Examples of such projects are highways, bridges, dams, and etc. Industrial, usually this relates to factories and power plants. Next, project lifecycle. Phase 1 is known as the conceptual phase. This phase determines the project needs and purpose, establishing goals, estimating resources, and confront key personnel such as architects, engineers, quantity surveyors, and etc. to address any issues and establish a budget. Phase 2 is also known as planning phase. This phase determines the project organization approach, prepares schedule for execution phase, defines and allocates tasks and resources while building a project team. Phase 3 is an execution phase. This phase performs the work of the project. And lastly, Phase 4, termination phase. This phase assists in transfers of project products, transfer human, non-human resources, and warranties to other organizations, terminate the project, disband the consultant, and reward the personnel. The next part of my video is going to be focusing on the types of building ranging from masonry, concrete frame, timber frame, and steel frame. I do hope you enjoy the rest of the video. This is the end of my video. I do hope you subscribe as you'll be updated with more construction videos. Thank you. See you soon.